Hello and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. This is Davis Mohomo, guys. I hope you will enjoy this one. Please like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
And action.
And action.
One, two, three, action.
Okay.
Cut. Get out.
Cut, get out.
Hey! Hey! Come out now! Hey!
Acting. Action. Ow. Yo, Askis. Askis.
Start.
Action. Ish. Where's... What's on the plate? It's HP. It's okay. Ow. You're not cutting a piece. Ke content entire.
Engicabangile guys, mina ngiyabonga ukuthi ngumuntu omnyama, ngiyabonga ukuthi I'm black because okay nako ke umndeni wami abelungu. Umama uyasiphekela lapha uphaka ukudla okuncane okungaka uphakela thina. Oh mother, are you done packing? Yes, I'm done packing. This is your last meal. Hayibo mother. Avela usisi wami uSamantha. I'm a vegan. I don't like people eating meat. They are killing animals. Hayibo Samantha. Samantha way. Avela ubaba mucho uBenjamin. Avele, I'm cooking chicken for the dog. Hayibo for the dog. Yeah, chicken must be eaten by the dog. Hayibo Benjamin. Avele John. Yeah, this is day 12 of taking an ice bath. I want to train my mind. I'm taking an ice bath in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning. John Hambulala. John Hambulala.
Because the way you say when I go after this. No.
It's a prank. You can't take a joke. It's just a prank.
Joke. Kissing. You wanted to
Kona
kiss
ke
her.
nna fatshe. Sintsi letsatsi le tlhaba kona ke nna fatshe ya joke bya marao mo fatshe.
Ela.
La peileng. Mara lena motho le shile mo hayo a shia motho ne. Hape sele ke eme kwa ke eme line. Ba re di nurse hey what sale vat ke tsena ka ma 2 and sale ke fitlile wa 5 am. Nelo na tsena ga 2. Ke tlhoira paps me. Hey, mara lona motho a ka swa shem. Ko ha shile lena a shia motho. A shia motho next. Ke tshwere ke tlala montshara otle a lantsha le shebonyana. Hai motho a sana bana man. Motho a sana bana wait. Ungcono ke tinyakele mokhukhu kwa ke lo titlhaevela mokhukhu kwa ke nneke motho a nna le 1 kwa a nna le 1 o itsa nna le nosi wetse keng a motho ana bana she
Wentse
mo
paps.
ai
Hey, bagcina iphelile ngalotri wangicabanga. Oh, poma nje plastic bafo. Ngithe lapha estopini ngabona umunye umama edayisa amabhola la sale sengithi awuthi ngiphathele umshanami la yabo.
Hayibo fethu. Akekho fethu umuntu othenga ibhola ngoJanuary. Awubunge nje lo plastic fethu. Ikabishi leli fethu. Ngeke ngihlolo ukubona ikabishi likuplastic mina. Yabo futhi mengiyibuka lenje. Inayo insobe enjoy ikabishi.
Alright baba.
Kitjene wa.
Ene qala ka re ke gap ye. Jigi sole me tapele wa staka ke sa metsi le mtlakase. Ibile o sana fine ga le o fetang ka simo.
Ke activist.
Nkebe ke na le ngwana nkebe ke morela ntirela tee e le mmago a thoma tshele o mmodutse le ena gona.
Let's just be honest, ne? Don't date
in Jan. Don't date in January because
sihlukane nabantu bethu.
I must tell you I love you while I'm hungry. Wow, no. I must say please stop playing. Stop playing.
Okay.
When am I gonna say futsek?
Hey, mara lama apartment mahle yo.
Ama apartment lawo?
Yeah.
Get it townhouse.
Angikhumbuza kule ijele yazi.
Get it flat.
Mina ngithi ijele le.
Jele. Wena yonke into kuwe ijele.
Ejade mfana. Mara wayena manamba.
Osh.
Uke wayehosi mampuru?
Yo.
Actually 28 le.
Awuthi yami. Ejele kunamanamba. La kulala khona abantu kuba namanamba awuthi yami. So wena ungaloku ukukwatela ngoba ngithi zingifanele nejele lezi. Ngeke kulunge ejele wena. Unenkani for no reason. Hayi kuthi ngiyeke mfethu hayi.
Mbo peace.
People who use star signs must stop, like
Cancer.
thinking or assuming that we all understand those
Octopus.
things. We don't understand star
Scorpio.
signs. Like, I don't understand what they mean. You know, when you ask somebody a question
Viagra.
and then they respond with a star sign, like, are you guys dating? Oh, well, he's a Gemini, I am ANC. So what? What does that mean? Like, what's going on? You know,
ANC.
are you guys friends? No, well, he's Cancer. Oh my gosh, he's sick. Like, tell us, what do they mean? Give me a proper answer. Let's
Singer content thing on.
Martha. Alright, media wa uchidela mfana. Media chance.
You learn the hard way, my boy.
Mona ona hard way selo. Na get better sfuba ka ngwanona. Get better ebile sfuba sira hanyana. Get better ka komane. Fongwanola ke. Le nanga le betho. Fongwanola. Wena tla. Ngirile mina. Fongwanole.
Sithando sami. Yasidala ukufuna njani mara? Mangibona nama dreadlocks akho nyakhumbula that I've been trading for you to lock me in your heart.
Awuzeke. Issue.
Very single, like an album. Obana no kibona wena fela.
Singing like a
Kids man, ungiru take pizza. Fila ngwe. Azange mshimana mfilisa kama kumfilisa ngade.
Singing like an album.
Bengu. Kuthe pile beyana bengu.
Mara praga. Ukatsepa abanyana odola amawopani. Sithathe serious. Angimthembi nami mara well ngizathini jo. Asante. Yabona jo.
Yena. Uyavuma ntombazana.
Kire ngore ke petolle mo. Ai khona le unyo go hira nyona ka se khona. Kire ngore ke petolle man. Khona le ar ka ma sa wara mfana. Ife khona le ko rwa support ntengona hira. Ai mana ke support wona ubra
There's plenty of sea in the fish, or the fish, the sea.
Ai maya Englishman. Small. Kopelo mo.
Sweet is small.
Moral of the story. Such a bad motor life in Palau.
Moral of which story? Go phegiwa yana.
Nakumbuka ngithi ukuthi ngiyazalwa madoza nje.
Uyazalwa?
Yebo.
Kanti wamuvunyaka wena?
Hawu 2003 now uyazi ngiyibhosi.
Athi birthday baba.
2003 wadlula nini?
Hawadlula inyanga phela.
Ngonyaka uzaza ku22.
Yebo.
Iyakula fast la makundane. Ngiyakuzwa mama. Hey, yazi lezi zinto zenu. Uyabona thina ngekhathi zethu thina.
Kwasuka lokho. Kwasuka. Ho. Ngeke phela njalo. Njalo ngitshela story sodwa. Hayi ngithi.
Isiphi sifuna ukuzwa leso story.
Shintsha topic ngcono.
Yini wena lezi zinto lezi ungayifuni kunyoko wena?
uma akayingeni indaba zamabhedini kazi indaba baba usho ukuthi abantu besifazane babantu
wena ugula ikhanda lonke uthi abantu besifazana ukhola nokuthi bayabantu kodwa uqala ngegama elithi abantu bayabantu nabo
hayi sekuyisisho leso
cha wena into efanele uyisho wena fanele uhambe utshela wonke umuntu wena ukuthi uma wakho umoya omubi uye ukuthi kubandakanya nabantu abangahlangene ukuthi awazi ukuthi bayabantu yini uma ukuthi wena ufuna ukukhomba i-alien la likhombe uma wakho i-alien lona futhi uma ukuthi ulibiza nge-alien leya futhi nawe i-alien waphela uzalwa uyena
hayi umuntu nje mina futhi sinoma asifani nangokuyibala
okusala kuzala inqephu wena uthanda ungathandi i-alien lakhe wena
hayi
lengane bani
ngihlukile futhi mina nekhaya
Sikapikisani phela uyi-alien wena
wena Rasta mele ususe lento la inhloko toti imundo la inhloko
lento ngitshelo namasi mba
endoda lo muntu lo yakudelela mara kabonisi futhi lento omtshela yona amasimba
amasi mba
hayi lawa when I think of ibunu amasimba uyakudelela lo mfo
uyangithuka kahle lo muntu ngifuna uyongishayela le yanja ngizokuphi 200 ngifuna i-evidence maqeda ukumshaya umshuti
ngiyakutshela angiyekile mali uRasta ngifuna ukumfundisa abantu ngifike ngokuzomqeda mangilenda ngimthola relax enalamajida
Rasta Mr Bob Marley ngiyacela ngapha kancane mfowethu sikhulume nje kancane
umuntu adobhistina ngiyakutshela uvele wabona ukuthi ngize ngokuzomqeda
awungitshele nje ungiza kami uyangibitsa manje ngidutsile majida wena
uyangibitsa
ngisa ngisa
to fit
evidence
Kenyaka evidence
Uzela
endoda lo muntu uphozile lo wathi umshayanga lo muntu
lo muntu ngimlemazela abo points laba
unamanga
hayi le mali ngizokunika amaqedwe kumshaya lo muntu kwamanje ngathi awumshayanga
umshayi 200 God. Guys, thanks for watching and thanks for making it this far. See you in the next upload. Please take care. Azish.
Hello everyone. Kevin Oden back again with a little read. And just to start things on the right track, happy 2026 to everyone. I hope the crossover was worth it. Well, not worth it, but it was great. And here's the read. Being bold doesn't always look like confidence. Sometimes it looks like standing alone, making a choice no one claps for, taking a step forward while everyone else stays comfortable. It's quiet, it's heavy, and it can feel lonely. But boldness isn't about having support. It's about having courage when support is missing. It's choosing to trust your voice even when it shakes, and believing in a path that only you can see. Taking risks means accepting that not everyone will understand you. Some people will doubt you. Some will walk away. And in those moments, loneliness can feel like a sign you're doing something wrong. But often, it's the opposite. Loneliness is a space where growth happens, where strength is built without an audience, It's where you learn who you are when no one is guiding you, cheering you on, or telling you what to do next. And one day, you'll look back and realize that the loneliest step, or rather steps, were the ones that changed everything. The risks you took when you were unsure became the foundation of your confidence. Being bold didn't just move you forward, it shaped you. Because courage isn't the absence of fear or isolation. It's choosing to move anyway, trusting that even if you walk alone for a while, you're walking towards something that matters. I hope you enjoyed that read.